All right, my friends, you are in for another treat. With this Kanbox tutorial, I am about to show you how to do automatic prospecting with the Kanbox app, so you don't want to miss it. Like my channel, subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. Leave me a comment down below, and if you want to pick this tool up, the link is in the description. As a matter of fact, my group community link is also in the description. Go ahead and click that thing and come on over and powwow with a great group of people, and I will see you there. All right, everybody, so let me explain how you can set Kanbox up to do a certain set of steps. So what you're going to do is come over to this tab, which is the campaigns tab. And then you're going to come up here and you're going to click new campaign. The next thing you're going to do is come over here and give this campaign a name. All right. Then you're going to come down here and give your first pipeline a name. So what's going to happen is, as I toggle these buttons on and off, it's going to stage out pipelines, and that's how this group of people that you're going to import from one of the lists that you created before of the imports that you brought in from LinkedIn. It's going to import them now into a column or into one of these pipelines, and it's going to, each time that they get to a new step, they're going to move over and move over until they get to the end of your sales cycle, or until they kind of stage out. So the first thing that you're going to do is turn on the visit profile tab, and it's going to create it. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to, and what that's going, let's talk about what that's going to do. Kanbox is going to go over and visit that person's profile just like it was, if it was you, and LinkedIn is going to send them a notification saying that you just visited their profile. The next thing is Kanbox is going to follow that person on your behalf. They're going to get another notification. Then you're going to turn on connection requests. The immediate next thing that's going to happen, Kanbox is going to send them a connection request. Next, you can set it up where in 2 days, Kanbox sends them a message. So you're going to toggle this on, create that. Kanbox is going to send them a message right here in step number 6. Next, if they do not answer, Kanbox is going to send them a follow-up. Follow-up, follow-up, follow-up. Kanbox message, follow-up, follow-up, follow-up. Kanbox is going to send them a follow-up. And what you could do is to go ahead and name this column as well. You can name it, follow-up monthly or not a fit, that type of thing. But that depends on, it all depends on your process that you take people through. Listen, if you have not figured out your sales process yet, if you need help putting that together, then you want to get in touch with me. I will put the link below. You can set a time on my calendar. I'll be happy to kind of walk you through the whole thing so that you can get up and running. If you want this tool, look in the comments. Let me show you what Kanbox has done today for me. It has imported 80 targeted people that I gave it. It has visited 80 profiles today. It has sent 20 connection requests today. And it has also followed 79 members today. And as soon as some of these 20 accept, then it's going to send them that message. It's going to send them a message. after 2 days, because that's how I have it set up. So listen, like I said before, you want to get your hands on this tool, the link will be in the description. I thank you for your time. I thank you for being on here. Like this video, make a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more goodness. Thank you.